This is a 2008 Ford F-150. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, full power accessories, and a trailer towing package. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Red River Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 402 Westside Drive in Durant.